Hi guys, I'm Qasim Khan. Today we will make chicken running. So this is garlic and onions, spices, zira, salt, and this is a 7 stick black lachi. This is running chicken. This is Desi chicken. Look at red color. This is running chicken. Very good for health. People take into garden. Just don't use. This one you put inside neighbor's cat. Neighbor cat today is so happy. So this is spice. You put in garlic. Now we onions and garlic and spice. We put spice inside, salt, and now we put inside meat, chicken, running chicken. People take into garden. This is garden chicken, very tasty meat. Now we put 1 cup of 3 cups of water makes 6 cups. So this is 6 cups of water and big full chicken. Now we're cooking. This is a cooker. And now we're putting this on the top. 10 or 15 minutes. And this is for neighbor's cat. Outside, yeah, neighbor have a cat. This is for cat. I don't like this meat. What's this? So we put in the meat up in the roof. Cat eating. Cat or bird or some creature like. After 15 minutes, 15 or 20, look at half done. Onion mash. Now we check is done or no. Meat. This meat is very hard. Long time cooker. So now we put water later we using. This water don't waste. We're using this water later. This is putting back. This is look like soup. We use it later. Very tasty. Mama made this. Very tasty. And now we put inside tomato and chili. And this is spice. This 1 tablespoon. Haldi, half tablespoon. Coriander, chili powder, salt, haldi, and kasuri methi put inside. And tomato and chili. And then we're mixing. And now we put inside oil, half cup of oil. Don't too much. Look, it's not too much. Normal. 5 tablespoons. If you like little bit more, put 1 more tablespoon. Up to you. If you want more oil, more spice, up to you. We like this or less oil. We healthy for me. So now the chicken is little bit half done and little bit soft. Half soft. This chicken is very hard. This chicken is very hard to cook. I'm gonna make it half done. After 20 minutes, oil is coming out. And I'll be saving water. Do you remember soup? We put inside. Oil is coming out. Look. Oil is coming out. Can you see? Look, the meat is 70% done. More need cooking. Look, we're serving the soup. Now we put inside. This is a home chicken, running chicken. Very, very long time to cook. And now it's still not done. It's 73. And now we put the lid on. After 10-20 minutes more cooking because it's still not boiling. Okay. 10 or 15 minutes. After, look, steam coming out. After 10 or 15 minutes, we open the lid. Can you see steam coming out? We take this out and we open, and the chicken is 100% done. So nice, beautiful taste. This is Roman chicken. People take to garden. Take to cook very long time. Look, it's tasty. I heard it is very delicious, very yummy, very nice taste. And I will put garam masala to make it even more tastier. We put a little oil and look, too much oil is coming out. Look, it's done. Beautiful taste. Please subscribe, like, share, subscribe, and please eat this. Please comment me. I love reading your comment. And look, the chicken is soft now, and I hope you eat this. It's very nice, delicious. And subscribe, like, or I love to read your comment. And it's making you very delicious. It's so delicious. Okay, bye guys, bye. I'm eating my dinner.